Hi toy fans! Today we're going to check out Lights and Sounds Ricky. You can get this toy at Amazon for $14.97 and it has really amazing reviews. It includes 8 sounds and phrases, a light up rescue visor. Let's try it. Neat. Let's look at the back. The wheels turn. Press Ricky's fuel cap to hear him rev his engine and speed to the rescue. Includes 8 sounds and phrases, light up rescue visor. All right, let's open it up. Just a little snip, snip, and there we go. Cool. It's very high quality. A lot of detail. Front wheel does indeed move. Sound effects. Still working great. The wheels are very, very spinny. And they seem to have metal axles. There's also a lot of detail on the instrument panel, which looks cool. Now let's try out some more sounds. It's just a really cool toy for any Ricky Zoom fan. And now, that's Lights and Sounds Ricky. Thank you so much for watching.